Hello everybody. My previous video was on the 3rd of March where I talked about Python signals. Those of you that took the steps in joining, welcome to the future. Because if you've started reading some of the reports on the site, one of the forecasts that Marius Landman made was that Litecoin is gonna start climbing from 7 to 8 March and onward to a certain point. Those of you that haven't subscribed yet, I would suggest you subscribe to his service because there's a lot of things that he's forecasting that is starting to come true, and it's opportunity to make some money. So if you look at the chart of Litecoin, one of his predictions was Litecoin, and I made my video on the 3rd of March. You'll see there that Litecoin went down, and then on the 5th it started climbing, and it climbed the 6th, the 7th, and it's still climbing. It broke through this resistance point here, so it's going to go for the next one, and it's still going to climb. So and there's some other coins that he predicted as well, which are also starting to climb. So if you want in on the info, you have to subscribe to the service. The subscription link is in the description below this video. Just have a look, click on it, and then you can get all the info on there. Okay.